Hey guys, I am about to go into the gym right now and get a heavy back workout in with their gym equipment. I am really excited about this. I haven't done this for a hot second, and before I go in, I'm going to eat these 3 mandarin oranges, cuties, whatever you want to call them. I am addicted to these. I can eat a whole entire bag in one sitting. Should I eat a whole entire bag in one sitting? Probably not. Do I? I do. And I'm not sorry about it. Let me tell you a little something about building your back as a woman. The amazing thing about having a really strong back is that you can do heavier deadlifts, which means what? Stronger hamstrings, stronger legs. You can go heavier on your squats. Having a strong back is so key in so many different exercises. I cannot tell you enough how important it is. So do not skip back day, ladies. And no, you're not going to look like a man. You're not going to build a back like a man. You cannot actually do that unless you're taking steroids, because women have completely different testosterone levels than men. It is physically impossible. I promise you. If you want stronger hamstrings, stronger glutes, and you want to be able to do all the things to make that lower half better, build your back. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna get this done. I hope you enjoy this workout. And remember, again, everybody starts somewhere. I did not start lifting super heavy or just like lifting 100 pounds on back day. Do not just start lifting super, super heavy. Everybody's heavy is different. So my heavy is going to be very different from, you know, a friend of mine's heavy. Both are going to benefit us because we're just at different levels. I have to say, when I first started lifting, I could only do 2 15 to 20 pound dumbbell bent over rows for back day. I remember that. And now I'm doing 95 pounds. And it doesn't take that long, you guys. You just have to put the effort in. I know you can do it. Like I said before, the hardest part of fitness is just your mindset and just getting to the gym and doing it for the right reasons. So anyways, I'm gonna go in. It's getting dark. Please share the videos, because it is actually, to be honest, it's very hard for people to find other people on YouTube because of how the algorithm is. I just want to reach as many people as possible, help as many people as possible. Like and subscribe so that you never miss this face. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, so you always want to start by warming up your muscles. You don't want to just go right into lifting. You want to make sure everything is working properly, that you're feeling your muscles firing. And there's going to be a drastic decrease with injury. So as you get stronger and stronger, you're going to obviously be able to lift heavier weight. And if you're not warming up first, woo, let me tell you, I lived that life and hurt myself, and it was not fun. So it's really, really important to warm up. So I'm just going through all of the exercises to kind of warm my back up. So lat pull down, face pulls, row, the rear delts. So all the way from upper back down to your lower back. I did this little circuit here about 3 times through. And then I did some really good stretching as well. When you're first learning how to lift weights, it's extremely hard to learn how to engage your lats. So by doing this band work, you can actually really feel them working extra. Okay, these are called rack rows, and this is actually my very first time doing these with this amount of weight. So I did 2 sets already, and prior to that, I didn't use the rack. I just put the weight on the ground, and then I was in a bent over position and did about 8 reps. I like doing this because I'm using my body a little bit less to pull the bar up. So I'm able to kind of set it back down, pull my shoulders back and down, engage my lats, and row. Okay, moving on to the second exercise, which is single arm dumbbell rows on the bench. You must make sure that you pull your belly button into your spine, tighten it up, and really use your glutes and your stomach to make sure that your body is stable. Try to pull that shoulder back and down, engage that lat, and then row. As I start lifting heavier weights, especially with this exercise, it gets harder and harder to isolate that lat. But looking back a couple months, I've gotten a lot stronger and I've gotten better at this exercise. So props to me, and I'm proud of myself. I am my own motivation, and I only look back far enough to see how far I have come with everything that I'm doing, because it just puts things into perspective for me. Going on to the third exercise, and this is the lat pull down machine. So I just popped on actually 245s here. Yeah, this was pretty dang heavy, but I did it, guys, and I felt so good and strong afterwards. I know this machine can look a little intimidating for especially a newbie in the gym, but if you were to just go try it, pop on like 5s or 10s on each side, you would not regret it. You would love it. This machine just really allows you to get that nice stretch through the lat and back, and then contract. So that's a good one. Ending with some cable work here for the rear delts. As you can see, that muscle popping back there in the back of my shoulders, that's your rear delt. So you don't want to go too heavy on this guy because it's not a very big muscle and it needs a lot of isolation and muscle to mind connection. So really focus and just think about that muscle that you're working, and go slow. Last exercise here is going to be a cable push down with a cable row with a straight bar. With this one, you really want to make sure that, again, your tummy is pulled in, your glutes are nice and tight, and you're really trying to squeeze that back in those lats. If you can see, I'm really trying to focus and pause for a second to feel the muscle contracting. Make sure your shoulders are back and down and you're not rolling them forward, and squeeze your upper back together the whole time, and it really does help. So remember, with all these exercises, keep your back very flat, shoulders back and down, and really try to feel the exercise in your lats and your back. If you have any questions on form, just let me know in the comments below, and have a great workout. Hello, I am all done with my workout. And I'm sitting in my car. It is dark right now. I hope you enjoyed that workout. And yeah, I just want to encourage you ladies to try to lift heavier. You know, you're going to see such awesome results from that. And I promise you, once again, you're not going to get bulky. You're going to have such good results. Even if you're lifting maybe 5 pounds heavier, in the long run, you're not going to have to do as much cardio, because more muscle with a healthy diet equals less fat, higher metabolism. I will keep saying it all day long to the end of time. So anyways, I hope you have a fabulous night, and I will see you guys next time. Love you.